Alright, I'm going to bust every myth that everybody ever said about bluegills and what they will and what they won't eat. Now, this is the Piranha Pit Fish Farm. At least that's what I call it. I'm testing out sugar frosted flakes. Yep. Now this is the fajita shells that I usually feed them. You know, I just want to see if they're out there. Are they active? Yeah, they're there. Boom, bam, bing. All right. I'm going to throw out some frosted flakes here. Yeah, that's frosted flakes. You can see them. Big handful of them. There they go. They're on the water.
They're great.
They're giving... Okay, so they'll eat them, right? Well, they're certainly not eating them with much gusto. Matter of fact, they've totally stopped. What's going on there? So they'll eat them once, go down, tell the rest of the school, hey, these things don't taste so good. I don't know. Well, they don't seem to think they taste good. Nope.
They're crap.
They're not great. All right, so I'm going to throw out some the regular stuff that they eat. Well, frosted flakes really put them off the feed there. There they go. They're starting to blast the good stuff there. Yeah, makes a difference. There's some more of the fajita shells. These are just cut up soft fajita shells. It's what I usually feed them every day. Yeah, they're eating them. I can still see plenty of the frosted flakes floating around out there, and they won't touch them. So all the people that say, yeah, bluegills don't eat anything, bull honky. A couple of them might eat it once. They're certainly going to go tell the rest of the flock that they taste like crap. So the general consensus, frosted flakes, they're crap. Well, we'll let the bluegills tell you.
They're crap.
We used generic frosted flakes, and no bluegills were harmed in this video. Thanks for watching.
I got a bite, Melania. Oh, hell!